Let's start with a confession. I did not start believing in law of attraction immediately. I'm a very analytical guy. So for me, when somebody told me you can literally have anything you desire, all what you have to do is ask, I was like, what are you even saying? What are you high on? Forget about what are you high on, just give me your dealer's number and we're done. But over a period of time, the law of attraction seems to be the most commonsensical thing which I believe should be taught to every person. Having said that, it's easier for me to say it today, but I know what kind of mistakes have I done in the past, and that's exactly why I'm making this video, so that I can share my mistakes with you. And as a money mindset coach, or as a coach in general, if I don't have the confidence to be vulnerable in front of my audience, I am doing a big disservice to my own industry, to my own profession, which I am not the sort of a person to do. I'm very happy to talk about my mistakes. I'm very happy to talk about things that I don't do correctly. And I'm also very happy to accept my mistakes if somebody was to show them to me. And that's been so instrumental in my growth in the past few months, that I would want you to not make the mistakes that I have made, and that's precisely why I'm making this video. I know this introduction has gone a little long, but I hope you are trying to understand the drift of where I'm trying to get to. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community which talks to its participants about money mindset. How do you strengthen your money mindset, overcome your money blocks, learn about law of attraction, learn about investing, do everything that colleges and schools should have actually taught you about money, but they didn't, and as a result of which you are facing problems today to manage your money better, achieve your financial freedom, and Paycheck to Profit is your way to get rid of all of those problems. And this month I have spoken extensively only about law of attraction, because I believe law of attraction is a very simple instrument that can help you change your perspective about money, and as a result of which change your relationship with money. And to do that, it would be unfair for me to tell you that, you know what, I have been a pro right from day one. For that matter of fact, in one of my earlier videos, I've said, do not consider me to be a pro. I'm just somebody who is a complete believer, and I know these things are working for me, and that is why I'm talking to you about it. So let me tell you about 5 mistakes that I did in this journey of accepting law of attraction as it is today. My first mistake that I did was I used to believe in the law intermittently. See, this law is actually a way of life. It changes you as a person eventually, but what happens is it's very natural for a human being to look at the law and look at it in silos. This law works over here, this law does not work over here. The law can help me get a better paycheck, but it cannot help me get better investments. It's basically omnipresent, and it takes time for people to accept it. It's a very natural process, and I've gone through that process myself. Second is, I used to look at very generic affirmations which I would find online and which I would like, or which would sound very, interesting. Affirmations are extremely powerful. If you're a Harry Potter fan, look at it from this perspective. Wingardium Leviosa. That was a spell which I always found extremely fascinating. But then you can't use that spell, first of all, for people, muggles, who don't associate with the Harry Potter world. Wingardium Leviosa is a spell that helps elevate things. You can literally elevate a human being, a big piece of furniture, by using this spell. So now that spell is only going to help you lift things, and you have to say it with the right spirit, with the right intention, and so on and so forth. Similarly, that's what affirmation does. Affirmations literally lift you from where you are and takes you and places you where you're supposed to go. Teleporting actually, but then you get the drift. I used to just pick up generic affirmations without understanding the impact of it, without understanding the real meaning of affirmations. Today, every affirmation that I have, which I use and I help my participants create, are absolutely pinpointed affirmations which are very strongly associated with their life. Imagine how powerful and impactful that can be. The third mistake that I was doing, because I was using the law intermittently, my faith and belief in the law was also very patchy. And that's an absolute disaster, let me tell you that. Get into law of attraction only when you are ready to surrender and when you are ready to have full faith in the system. And believe me, question everything, but at the same time, don't question the process, not the how should I do this, how will this help me? Question all of those things, but don't question, does this even work, or am I doing this well enough? Because that intention somewhere down the line will mess up. One of the most important mistakes that I did, which I would like to share, which I've spoken about in earlier videos also this month, is I was absolutely not gratitude enough. Gratitude and me used to live in like two different countries. And that really cost me a lot. And today, after being gratitude enough, I literally see the shift in quality of my life, quality of my thought process, quality of my mentality. It literally impacts every aspect of your life. One more thing that I used to go completely wrong and berserk with is I was extremely impatient. I've always been impatient. I'm pretty impatient in some things even today. You know, one of those days when you feel restless, I'm one of those people. And I used to be extremely impatient about, oh, I want to manifest this and I want to manifest this today and I want to manifest this right now. And believe me, that's the easiest way to not manifest anything. The whole idea of law of attraction is to know what you desire and then let go of it, live as it is, live as if you already have it, and then continue with your life the way it's supposed to be. Sounds very easy, right? But you only will learn how to master it when you've actually gone through the entire process. Please read up, please watch more videos, please start practicing, take small steps, get yourself a coach, do whatever it takes to take you to the next level, because it's a journey. That's all what I can tell you. And I have gone through my journey, and hopefully going through these mistakes, revising these mistakes, watching these mistakes, getting some perspective has helped you not repeat the mistakes that I've done. But if you still feel it's going to be difficult for you, please feel free to connect with me, leave a comment, come meet me on my Instagram live, Facebook lives, join my Facebook group, connect with me. Just find a way to connect with me, and I promise you I'll do everything in my capacity to help you. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. I hope you've liked this video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like the video, share it on other social media channels so that more and more people can avoid making these mistakes, learn from my mistakes. That's the smartest way of learning from other people's mistakes. So please share this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!